So, Ford Mustang 4.6 liter GT. This is what we got done on it. Factory converters there. H-pipe, Borla kit that we chopped and put two vibrants. Part numbers are right there. 1790s. Each side right there and right there. Then we reused some of the pipe from the Borla and put some black tips, 4-inch rolled there and there to complete the look, because he's going to murder out the whole car. So it's going to look fantastic once it's done. So like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. All right, so you guys saw the first video. 2009 GT Mustang. We put vibrants on it. Way too quiet for him. He didn't like it. So he came back 5 minutes later. Still got factory converters. We'll probably do those next if it's not loud enough. Factory H-pipe. Then 2.5-inch pipe all the way back. We put 2.5-inch out the back, each side. And then kept the same tips we had on it before. The 4-inch. Tucked them in, made them a little bit cleaner for them. Ran new straight pipes. I'm gonna let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. So we just took the vibrants off. And like always, guys, please like, comment, subscribe, and all that good stuff. Better? Yeah, it's clean. It does still have the bar. Your sound decibels. Again? 105. Go ahead and back it up. It's so deep, dude. Thanks, dude. Thank you. Appreciate it. That sounds good. I'll let you guys hear it on the inside. And it's a 6-speed.
You happy, bro?
Exactly what I wanted.
Let you guys hear it on the inside.
All right, guys, I don't know if you've seen his expression. So you like it?
Yeah.
How much do you like it?
Oh, it's so much better.
Much better. All right, this is what it sounds like on the inside, guys, okay? Let me close the window. It's a nice GT. It's really clean. It's only got 58,000 miles on it. Here, I'll rev it. There you go. I think it sounds phenomenal. Much better than the Vibrant. You guys let us know in the comments which one you like more, the Vibrant or the straight pipe. Sky muffler. Hello? 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 Mustang GT straight pipe, 4.6 liter.
much better.